Hello everyone. So today we are going to see the demo of our IEEE project or final year project, Bitcoin cost prediction. So let's begin with the demo. So in this project we have used different algorithms to predict the Bitcoin cost. We have did the analysis of accuracy of different algorithms, and we have predicted the cost. So to run this project, we need to must have Anaconda installed. So let's open Anaconda prompt, and then we have we have to create a new environment into that. So for this project, we should have a runtime which is a Python 3.9. So let's create an environment using this command Python, sorry, conda create environment Python 3.9. So sorry. Okay. So this command Python 3.9 conda create environment. So let's give it name Bitcoin conda create environment with name Bitcoin with Python 3.9. You can see the environment is getting created. So let's get created the environment. So here you can see that environment is get created. So let's hit this command conda activate environment. Then you need to copy the project path. So my project is stored in this location, cd space project path. Then this my environment is getting activated. So next is to install the required library. So all required libraries are stored in this file requirement.txt. So let it open. Yeah, these are some required library. So I will install this library using command pip install -r requirement.txt. So all the libraries will get installed. Let's wait for some time. So fast forward to the library downloading. So we have successfully downloaded our libraries. So let's run the application using command Python app.py. So here our project will get run on localhost on port number 5000 using Flask application. We just have to copy this address to browser. For example, I'm copy and pasting this address to browser. So here you will see our index page. So you can see this. This is the index page. We have two options: train Bitcoin model and predict Bitcoin model. Here we have three different Bitcoins: Bitcoin, then Ethereum, and Dogecoin. For example, we have to predict the Bitcoin US dollar. So let's click on train. So first of all, we should have to train this model. So here you can see we have used different algorithms: LSTM, RNN, and SVM for comparison purpose. So you can see this is this blue color line is actual value of Bitcoin versus dotted red color line show the predicted value of different algorithms. This is a value of RNN. This is value prediction of SVM. This is different comparison model. So you can see this is a model performance epoch versus losses. You can see the loss of RNN algorithm is reducing epoch by epoch. At the epoch number 20, it's very less. So more accurate, best model for this Bitcoin prediction is RNN or LSTM and SVM. So let's predict the Bitcoin price. So once you click here, select Bitcoin, then select particular date. Bitcoin work 24/7. So I have to predict next 4 days. So today is 12. So let select 14, date 14, and next 4 days I have to predict the price. So let just click on predict. You will get the predicted value for next 4 days. So 25 for sorry 12, 12th April 2025, it will be this, and later on it will go to decreasing. So this is a prediction of Bitcoin price. Let's try for other as well. So let's select Ethereum. So same way Ethereum will get predicted. It will download your real-time data. It will train model on real-time data. It will do a comparison, and whichever algorithm is best, we will use that algorithm to predict the Bitcoin price. So let's predict for 7 days, and you can see that it will show you the prediction output. So let's see the folder structure. So this is the your index page, and this is the folder structure. We have a static folder which will contain the different graphs of algorithms and model, which is the best model. This is background video. Then in template folder we have a feature, result, index, result, etc. HTML pages. This is our main Flask coding, Flask server coding, and this is a model. So for this project we have used Bitcoin price from 2020 to 2024, and we are using a Y-Finance library to download the real-time data for training purpose. You can see Y-Finance library. These are the some library we have used. Y-Finance for downloading the real-time data of Bitcoin, Matplotlib to show the graphs, TensorFlow for LSTM and RNN algorithm. Then we have used SVM, then mean square error, then a model from Keras, and joblib to save the model. Here we can see that you can see that the whatever algorithm is best, we are saving that model to model.h5 or svm.pickle. But in our case, the RNN algorithm is best for prediction of Bitcoin. So yeah, happy learning. So that's it. Thank you so much for your time. If you want to if you want this project, you can write us on you can write us on uh, this email ID, or you can contact me on this is my mobile number 7350706868. Okay, so yeah, all the best. Thank you so much for your time.